If you're not on Google, your customers aren't finding you. Simple as that. Whether you're launching a new business or finally getting around to building your digital footprint, having a properly created and optimized Google Business Profile, GBP, is the first step to being found, trusted, and chosen. At Ask 8, we take the hassle out of the process and build you a powerful GBP listing from scratch that is designed to get clicks, calls, and customers. Who this service is perfect for: businesses with no current Google Business Profile, businesses with an unclaimed or unverified listing, multi-location businesses needing initial listings, professionals just getting started. What's included in our GBP creation package? 1. Complete setup and verification. We handle every step, including claiming your listing, verifying ownership, and configuring profile elements. 2. Industry-aligned profile optimization. We optimize your categories, descriptions, and service details using local SEO best practices for visibility in your market. 3. Photo and media uploads. We enhance your brand credibility with logos, cover images, interior, exterior photos, and team images, all optimized for engagement. 4. Review resources and response templates. We set you up to collect and respond to reviews from day one with customized templates for handling both positive and negative feedback. 5. Questions and answers. Setup: we seed your Q&A section with real-world questions and smart answers based on your business model. 6. Initial content foundation. We create and schedule your first Google post and set up your services, products, and attributes to match what real customers are searching for. 7. Dedicated account manager. You get a real person, not a bot, guiding the process, answering your questions, and ensuring a smooth launch. Key benefits of a professional GBP setup: instant visibility on Google Search and Maps, boost in local SEO ranking factors, trust-building first impression for potential customers, more traffic, more calls, and more conversions, control over your business's online narrative, insightful analytics from day one to guide future marketing timeline. Your profile setup follows a 4-phase process completed over approximately 30 days. 1. Days 1 to 7. Claim, verify, and establish basic elements. 2. Days 8-15. Verification support and backend setup. 3. Days 16-23. Custom optimization, enhancement guide, and local SEO prep. 4. Days 24-30. Launch content, reviews, Q&A, and approval process common questions. Can I just create the profile myself? Sure, but would you DIY your taxes or your legal paperwork? A properly created GBP sets the stage for long-term visibility. We do it faster, better, and aligned with best practices. How long until I show up in Google results? Most clients see improved visibility within 2 to 4 weeks post-verification. Actual rankings depend on your market and competition. Do I need a website first? Nope. In fact, some businesses generate leads directly from their GBP before launching a site. We'll help you optimize for that too, because your first impression on Google matters. We've helped hundreds of local businesses claim their spot on the map and rank faster with less hassle. With our white glove setup, we don't just make a profile, we build your local launchpad. Let's get you on the map. P.S. The sooner your profile is live and optimized, the sooner your phone rings. Don't wait, your competitors aren't. All the best to your success.